2, 3.
We fixed this the hand. Let's see it still works. Yeah, it still works. You know how we did it with this? I was, you see? Alright, you see? Still works. But because when I was pressing this, it's connected it. So we saw it and we connected it again.
Okay.
So I'm just connect it again. Alright, let's see if it still works. You see? I fixed it. Alright, let's get an item from here. Come. We'll give you a tour. Alright, this is our section. We saved some stuff over here. Let's come and see if we have something to grab. What about this? Let's try it. Alright. Too big and too chunky. What about this? This is from Ball. Alright, let's put it right here and let's see if it grabs. Bro, it grabs! In 3 seconds, this will end the video. 3, 2,